Okay, here's a question that involves the double angle formula. If you don't remember, I'm going to quickly write them down now. Remember that sine 2x equals 2 sine x cos x, and that cos 2x equals cos squared x minus sine squared x, or that is 2 cos squared x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay, so this little things here, we're just going to remember them. I'm just going to remember them, put them in the corner over here, and we look back at them later. Okay. Okay, now we've got cos 2x equals 0.8. I don't like 0.8. I'm going to write 4/5. And it's reflex. What's reflex mean? Well, we're in the unit circle, so in the first quadrant angles are acute, in the second quadrant they're obtuse, and if they're in the third or fourth they're reflex. So our angle x, or 2x, is probably around there somewhere. So if we think about that CAST, is it there? No, it's not. Why not? Because it's a positive number, so it has to be right around here somewhere. Okay, that's our angle we're looking at. So we would expect that sine x would be a negative number. Oh well, we can't really say that yet, so we'll just wait and see. But that will be good to know. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. We've got sine cos 2x. We want to get sine x. Well, we're going to use the last equation I wrote that down there. I'm going to write down that cos 2x equals 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay, so I'm going to put this 4/5. 4/5 equals 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay, right now I'm going to have to simplify this. Why don't I take the 2 sine x over that side, so add 2 sine squared x to both sides, and then I'll take away 4/5 from both sides, so I get 1/5. Okay, I want to divide both sides by 2, so I get sine squared x equals 1/5 divided by 2, which is 1/10. So sine x is the square root of 1/10. It's plus or minus. If we're looking at half that angle there, yep, we're probably in the positive section. So I'm going to say it's positive 1 over root 10. So we'll just say that's positive. Okay. Cos x, we do exactly the same thing. Write down that cos 2x is 2 cos squared x minus 1. So we got 4/5. We got 2 cos squared x minus 1. Add that to both sides, so now I've got 9/5 equals 2 cos squared x. I've got to divide everything by 2, so I'll do cos squared x equals 9 over 10. And so, whoops. Okay, so cos x is going to be plus or minus the square root of 9 over 10, which would be 3 on root 10. But is it plus or is it minus? Well, if it's definitely not going to be in those two quadrants. It's going to be probably in the sine quadrant, so we'll have to say that's negative. Okay, tan x, we know it's always sine x over cos x, so that's going to be 1 over root 10 over negative 3 over root 10, which the root 10s cross out, so you've got 1 over 3, but it's negative, so negative 1 over 3. Okay, so sine tan is negative, so yeah, that kind of confirms that we're looking in this quadrant here, in the S quadrant. That's where x is going to be. Okay, lastly, to finish it off, sine 2x, that equals 2 sine x cos x, so that's 2 times 1/10, 10, not 2, 10th. I'm saying 10th, but it's not, it's root 10, isn't it? And 3 over root 10, so that is minus 6 over 10, or minus 3/5. Hey, and that's a nice check there, because cos 2x is 4/5 and sine 2x is negative 3/5. We can just check. I've got sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. Well, negative 3 over 5 squared plus 4 over 5 squared equals, ignore that, that equals 9 over 25 plus 16 over 25, which is definitely 25 over 25, which means it's right, so that means everything here must be right. So cool.